Okay, so today we are going to fix nunchuk. This nunchuk I think is clone or something like that, and components are not the best. We will see that in the video. I have two more clone nunchucks that are not recognized by VE as external peripheral, so I'm going to use one as for spare parts. Now I'm going to replace complete mechanism of these nunchuk potentiometers. Now mode sensor, the mode that came with this nunchuk is also not the highest quality, so the only option left was to use clone that has better quality than this low quality one clone. Now I need, since I'm going to change analog's mushroom, or stick, I am going to add black buttons from the donor controller, just to add a little bit of color. And I have noticed while disassembling it that even the plastic is different between these two clones. The red one is a lot cheaper and does not have a high quality feeling in hands. Now I'm going to disassemble everything, and we will see that I made some mistakes while disassembling things and putting them back together, and I had later on to change things a little bit. Okay, so I will leave you to watching the video and I will tune in at the end. Okay, so now we can see that I had combined two donor nunchucks. One was some kind of Wi-Fi nunchuck, but I have broken the potentiometer, one of potentiometers from black one, so I had to use potentiometer from this other donor. I learned my lessons while repairing this nunchuck, and I am now testing if everything is responding as it should. I am now going to pause this video because I have filmed where these wires are going and I don't have it on PC screen. So I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to watch at phone, solder these wires back at their place, and then I am going to record assembled nunchuck. And here we go. I assembled everything. Everything is soldered as it should be. And I am going to put everything in its place. Now, these nunchucks are relatively cheap to come by, and it's always useful to have some spare nunchucks for parts. I have a couple of them that are not recognized as nunchucks, but are new and should be working fine, and everything is soldered correctly, so maybe we can try fixing them, but I will need advice from someone from the audience if there is solution to that problem. I don't know why they are not recognized. Is data wire broken or something like that? So this is the final fit, final touch, and everything works fine. I am now putting black joystick or analog stick, and I'm now going to screw everything back together. These nunchucks cost about $5 with shipping from different sites, but the whole point in fixing them or fixing this one is just to gain some practice experience, and why not? For me it's interesting task to fix something, and I learn how things work inside the device. Maybe I will need it someday, who knows what is going to happen. And that's it. We can see that everything is responding fine, works fine, and stick is going back to center no matter from which side I am pushing it. And that's it. Next thing is to test it on V. Now I have this V menu, and I'm going to test this V. Of course I tested on some games, Donkey Kong and so on, and it works fine. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.